What's up? We just got home from having supper, so I'm gonna get back to work. What am I gonna work on?
Sturf.
I
don't know. What are you gonna work on?
I don't know. I need to laminate the rest of these stickers that I got printed yesterday. Yeah, I told you guys in the last video that I would show you the stickers that I cut out yesterday. Okay, so here is my sticker folder. It's very, very thick. It's only going to get thicker. I do retire designs if I get tired of seeing them, or if they just don't sell well, or if I sell out of them and I just don't feel like keeping them anymore. But for right now, this is what I have. The new ones are... Are you torturing the kitty? Why are you torturing the kitty? It's hard to remember. I've had so many printed lately. Okay. Here's the Vaporeon. And the Umbreon. And the Jolteon. Yeah. The James Willems for Funhouse. That one's a little older, I think. Like I said, I've had so many printed lately, I can't remember if I've shown you these or not. And I had some more of those printed. They sell very well. Okay, here's the new ones. Very end, of course. The Talk Punny to Me, the Gross Banana, the Kawaii Potato, the Cool Guys, Girl and Boy Octopi, the Witch on Vacay, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
I love the Kawaii Potato.
Yeah, that's his favorite.
It's cute.
He's like,
He does
save me, Mommy.
Little dance. Do the Toto dance.
Hermie.
Do the Toto dance. Do the Toto dance. Toto dance. Toto dance. Get your backstreet involved. Do the Toto dance. No. You don't want to do the Toto dance? He zones out. He has Stockholm. Where like when we start messing with him, he'll just like until it's over, and then he'll like come back to life. But while it's happening to him, he'll just nothing, like just turn into an empty vessel.
But he's purring.
Yeah.
He's really cute.
He is really cute.
Let me take a picture while I'm filming that, because it's a really cute picture. So tonight I'm going to attempt to practice putting all of my stickers on the corkboard that I stole from my husband's studio.
Practice putting the stickers onto the corkboard. I wish when I could do this impersonation and no one would get offended.
Yeah, I've got to finish laminating the new ones. I still haven't even listed them in the store yet, so I'm a little behind. I'll have to do that after the call-in, I guess.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, I guess you guys can watch me attempt to place those.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in ways you follow me, drifting to places I should leave, so close to the edge of something so perfect.
So sadly it didn't fit all of my stickers. I know there's like a tiny bit of space down here at the bottom left. I will take them down and rearrange them at the convention. I just felt like practicing tonight and it took a good while. Like, I don't know. It's definitely a really nice thing to look at. Like, it's really cool seeing all of my art out like this. I think that it's a good idea to help sell them, and I'll also have the book down there so they can just flip through that as well if it's easier for them. But I think this is a good idea, and I'm excited to display it. I may even get my smaller cork board and put the rest of them up. I'm not quite sure yet, but we'll see. I did get quite a few of them, although I don't think it's most. I don't know, it might be most of them, but I still have quite a huge stack down here that I'd like to put up. But overall, I'm very happy with how it looks.
Hey, Arnie. You're so cute. What are you doing? Being cute? You just woke up from your nap? Lazy piece of poo-poo? Do something fun. I love you, Harmony.